I don't know if these guys are gonna stop or if... Whoa! Hey, they're rolling deep! Oh boy! Well, what do you know? It's the pit bull. Wow, how many police cars do we need here? Here, we better keep an eye on the pit bull. He likes to assault people. Comforting to see him not with a can of pepper spray though. Sean the Pit Bull Orman. Right there in the flesh, everyone. He's scared of cameras. I think I see even another cruiser. So we've got S7. I'm not seeing this other car number over here, but we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cruisers for this one guy here. Not sure what the deal is. Save a light, film a cop. Looks like they've decided that they need one less gun. Yep, we keep an eye on the pit bull. I don't see a leash on him, so... It has something to do with this gentleman here on the phone. We don't know exactly what's going on, but security escorted him out. And, I mean, obviously, he doesn't look too drunk. It doesn't look violent at all. I don't understand why we've got, you know, 4 or 5 officers and all this. Seems a little bit out of control, if you ask me. That's nice. It makes me wonder how people can live with themselves tossing people in cages for illegal nature. Maybe someday you guys won't have to worry about throwing people in cages for nature.
Stop.
Are we done? Yeah, we're done. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good night. All right. All right. Keep it quiet, okay? Yes, sir.
See the pit bull? They're messing with people because they had illegal nature.
We didn't see you for a minute. We saw him.
Well, they went back there and walking through, and you could tell that they were like looking for evidence to try to like put somebody in a cage for no reason other than they can put somebody in a cage and make money off of it. No, this is what we do. We're down here just to film interactions.
They just came down here just to go down there and look for people to do something wrong?
No, actually, I think somebody made a complaint about somebody over there smoking, and so they had to show up with the SWAT team because, I mean, you know, everybody knows how much people get hurt by people.
But people are dying all over in there, right?
Oh yeah, I mean, all over the place in there. It's terrible.
What can we do about it? Can we put people in? Can we lock everyone up? I think that's
No, actually, you know what? Freedom is the answer. You know what I mean? Freedom is the answer. If there's no victim, there's no crime. Now, I'll tell you what, this one officer here, you'll notice back here, he calls himself the Pit Bull, and he was caught on a dash cam here back in September, him and 6 of his thug buddies just beating this black kid, you know, terribly. But you'll never guess what.
he was bad?
Well, he ran. But that's no reason, you know. Yeah, but you know what?
You gotta get in line when your boss tells you to, right?
Well,
No, I'm just kidding.
these guys ain't nobody's bosses.
I know.
These guys ain't nobody's bosses.
They're actually our civil
Is that the
servants.
Pit Bull?
They work for us.
Yep,
They're
there's the
actually
Pit
our
Bull.
civil
Did anybody
servants.
catch what number car Pit Bull's in?
What are they gonna try to give
All right, there you go. There, YouTube audience members. There's a whole SWAT team of Sandusky police and not one arrest. So, once again, Peaceful Streets is on a perfect streak of no arrests. And that was the Pit Bull. See you later, Pit Bull.